Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save money on Disney with DealSeek. To save money on Disney with DealSeek, you need to follow the step. So firstly, open any of the web browser that you prefer. And in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down dealseek.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of this DealSeek, what you need to do is in the top right there's this search icon there. Simply type down Disney and you need to select enter. And after that, you can browse through all the available deals and you can use the filters to find. In the top right here, you can click onto this filter. So here you can find this verified deals. You can also go to this promo code, coupon, lightning deals here as well. And you can also select for this price range. You can make it minimum or maximum as well. And you can go to this verified low prices here as well. And you can select this price range. And you can also choose for the price range. And that is it. This is how you can save money on Disney with DealSeek. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.